How to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Cash App. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Cash App. First, launch the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. After that, tap on the Profile option. It is this icon here at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the Profile section of Cash App. Once you are here, make sure you scroll down. Keep scrolling until you reach this part of the page. Once you are here, make sure you come and tap on this option named Linked Banks. After that, this other page will appear. On this page, you will be able to see the banks that you have connected to Cash App. Also, you can add a new bank or card, so I will go ahead do that. Tap here and this other page will appear. On this page, there are fields that you are supposed to fill in with your card information. Make sure you do that. Provide all the card information required and carefully verify you have entered everything correctly. After that, tap here SND. The card will be linked to your Cash App account. Next, it is time to transfer the money. To do that, come back to the home page of the app. After that, tap on the bank icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to the bank section of your Cash App account. Here, you can do everything related to money, such as transferring money. So, to transfer money from Dasher Direct, make sure you tap here, Add Money. A pop-up then appears from the bottom of the screen. On the pop-up, you are supposed to choose the amount of moment you want to transfer from the amounts set here by default. Tap on any amount and then tap here, Add, and just like that, the amount will be added. Next, you can also enter the amount manually. To do that, all you have to do is to tap on the three dots here. After that, this page will appear. On this page, you have to manually enter the amount you want to transfer from Dasher Direct. After that, tap here, Add. The money will then be transferred from Dasher Direct to Cash SPP. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. How to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Cash App.